Drive the 2018 GLA. The Mercedes GLA-Class offers the versatility of a hatchback, but with the power of a sports car. The exterior styling is aggressive and resembles that of other Mercedes models, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.